Can I do that too? I can do
No.
Mae, okamani nasaimasen! I'm Rika-chan.
I'm Echo.
And today we're going to be tasting some delicious snacks.
Yay! The first snack is Irvin salted egg potato chips. Have you had these before?
Oh, I haven't. A salted egg? Excellent sweet.
Made in Singapore.
Oh. They're good. They're kind of sweet. Oh, Echo-chan doesn't like them.
I don't like it.
I think they're good. They taste like not a parfait, so I don't know what they taste like. Okay, these are good. I rate them an 8 out of 10. I think they're good.
I rate them
Oh, another one.
a 4 out of 10. I don't totally hate them, but I kind of hate them.
And next we have Choco Pie. Have you had a Choco Pie before?
No, I don't know what it is.
Well, these are sweet and they have chocolate in them, so they're going to be really good. Good, right? Ah.
It's softer than I thought.
10 out of 10. What do you rate, Michael-chan?
7.
Oh, wow.
Ta-da! This is caramel corn.
Caramel corn.
So it says it's got peanut and corn
Peanut?
and sugar.
But it's caramel. Why has it got peanut in it?
Sugar! Sugar is the caramel.
No, not sugar. Peanut. Oh, it's got peanut in the front.
Yeah, peanut.
Oh, so then caramel corn is made from peanuts.
No, but it has it in it.
Excuse me.
I want more!
We're the most sweet
Yeah.
Echo-chan.
I rate 10 out of 10.
Next snack is a cream corn. Have you had these?
No, they're very biscuity.
Do you think?
I mean, they look it.
And cream. Oh,
You
my
ripped
gosh.
it! She ripped
I
it!
can fix it.
I rate 8 out of 10.
I don't like these too much, so I'm gonna say a 6 out of 10.
Next, we're having Hanami prawn
This
crackers.
doesn't look sweet.
I don't like fish because we have to have seafoody stuff on the world all the time. In my level, it's all we have all the time.
This
Because
fish all the time.
my mum just really likes cod
Oh.
and squid.
Oh.
Oh, they smell.
Oh no, what do they smell like?
They smell like stinky.
Here
Tastes
are-
like home.
I didn't like it.
I don't like it. I rate a -5 out of 10.
I agree. -5 out of 10. So our next snack is this one, strawberry and chocolate. Did you know these are my 2 favorite things? Why are you looking at them like that? They're good. Well, I mean, I haven't tried them yet, but they're strawberry and chocolate, so what could go wrong? Oh, they're so good. That's so good. These are my favorite so far. These are a 10 out of 10. Maybe 20 out of 10. 30. They're good, right? They're good.
6.
6.
The next snack is super sticks. Wafer sticks.
Pandan is
She doesn't even know.
I know Pandan. I just can't remember right now.
Oh, well, I have an excuse not to know because like I'm not from Earth.
I'm not from Earth either.
Yeah, you are.
I'm from Supernatural. I am.
She's from Earth.
I know.
We opened it. Nemu opened it. Nemu did it for us. Nemu's super strong. Okay. Wait. Oh,
Pasta.
whoa. Okay. It's yummy.
It is good.
I rate 9.
9.
Oh, 9.
Next we have Dream Animals.
Ooh.
You're not a dream animal.
Wait, what they got? Owl,
Hen.
horse, leopard, lion, lynx, macaw,
They
duck,
don't have
monkey,
bat.
ox, panda, parrot, beaver. It's not bad.
Oh, I guess they're not for bats then.
I can have it anyway.
It's okay, Kocha. Maybe you can make your own dream animals.
We have 2 flavors. We have banana milk.
I want that one. This one's seaweed.
The banana
looks
ones
sweet.
are super yummy.
We have a seaweed one.
It's surprisingly yummy.
Do you like these ones?
Yeah.
And then I can have these ones.
Can you please tell me what a deep is? I don't understand. What is deep? I rate the seaweed 7 out of 10.
Seaweed is 4.
I rate the banana also 7 out of 10. I like.
8.
Echo approved. Evil Overlord approved. Next we have Yum Yum. Do you know what Yum Yum? Hey!
This is pink like me.
Okay, well we have strawberry and chocolate.
Strawberry like Reaper
So there's sticks and there's sauce, but I don't know what the sauce is, so let's open.
Well, this one's obviously.
I want yours.
Hey, Echo.
It's yummy.
Is it good? These are good. I rate them good. 10. 10.
I rate them both 8.
The next dessert is Ceecee.
Ooh.
This one's huge. I get the pink one.
Oh,
Ceecee.
Ceecee. What is it?
It has things in it.
Thingies.
Things.
What thingies?
I'm unsure.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Drink lychee.
Ooh, mine is
Peach.
I like peach.
I can't.
I made a mess. I did it though. That's so mean. Carl's gonna get mad at us for making a mess.
I rate 7. 6 and a half.
8.
6 and a half. Next we have Calbi Hot and Spicy. Whose decision was this?
It wasn't mine.
Who decided to make us eat this?
I don't want to eat this. But
I'll incinerate you.
Nami opened the bag for us.
And Junpei brought us milk, because apparently that's what happens if you have spicy stuff, you need milk. 3, 2, 1. It's so spicy! poison. Demon poison.
It doesn't help. It doesn't make the spice go away.
I rate minus 5,000.
That's not okay. I meant a 0.
Minus 5,000.
And that's for all the snacks that we've tried. Thank you so much for watching us try them.
Thank you for watching us eat all the yummy snacks.
Yes. It's been really good. What was your favorite one, Akata?
My favorite was caramel corn.
I like caramel corn too. These are my favorite. The chocolate strawberry ones. Good stuff.
いってらっしゃいませ。
Bye bye.
Bye bye.